Class 9th Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today your chapter is Congruency of Triangles. So exercise 10.1. Let us start what will be your exercise. So first the property of this one, side angle side, that is the congruency rules. It is said to be SAS rule. So two triangles are congruent. You have to see here the rule is the two triangles are congruent if two sides and inclined angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. So you can see here if this side and this side is equal, that means AB is equal to PQ. And second one is BC is equal to QR. BC is equal to QR. This one, this three dot lines are here. And the angle B is equal to angle Q. So then the congruent triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. It is the congruency rule of that is the first rule. Now come to the second rule. Angle side angle congruency. That is the ASA congruency. So the two triangles are congruent if two angles and the inclined side of the one are the equal to the two angles and the included side of the other triangle. So you can see here. So this angle and this angles are equal. Also this angle and this angle is also equal, and the side this one are equal. So you can write here angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and side BC is equal to EF. So that is the congruent triangle. So ABC congruent to triangle DEF. By which rule? By ASA. AS angle side angle. Now come to the third rule. That is the side. That is the SSS congruency. So two triangles are said to be congruent if three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of the other triangle. So you have to see in this all the sides are equal. Why? The first side, that one is the side equal. So this side and this side is also equal, and this side and this side is equal. So that's why it is a congruent. So that is the side. So it is SSS. So you can say here AB is equal to DE, and next one BC is equal to EF, and the last one, that is the AC is equal to DF. Then triangle of ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Now come to the fourth rule, that is the angle side congruency, that is the AAS. This is the A, and this one the S. So angle side. So this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is angle C is equal to the angle F, and the side BC is equal to EF. That's why it is the AAS. So AAS, that means two angles and one side are equal. So you can do this. Now come to the right hand side hypotenuse. Right angle hypotenuse side theorem. That is the RHS congruency. So RHS, that is the right angle. Right angle. That one is this one is right angle. So it is 90 degree. And it is also 90 degree. Second is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, that is this side and this side the equal, and the one side is also equal. So here is the side. So that is the RHS rule. Right angle, hypotenuse, and side are equal, then the congruent triangles are congruent. So you can say in this triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Now come to the example 1. Let us see. In this example, use SAS condition to know more about the given figure. OA is equal to OD and OB is equal to OC. Prove that. The first one is triangle. These are the congruent. So you can see here in triangle OAB, B and triangle which one? OCD. As you know, OA, this one, OA is equal to OD. So you have to write OA is equal to OD. It is given here. That is given here. Now come to the OB is equal to OC. You can see here OB is equal to OC. So you have to write here OB is equal to OC. It is given. Both are given. And the angle, this one, the vertically opposite angle. So you can write here angle of AOB is equal to angle of DOC. That is vertically opposite angle. Now all are the congruent. So triangle, which one? AOB, otherwise AOB congruent to triangle DOC. By which rule? It is SAS. It is side. It is the given. So this is the side, and this one the angle. So we can say the congruent, it is first proof, and now AB parallel to CD. How can say AB parallel to CD? So this angle and these angles are equal. Angle of B is equal to angle of C by CPCT. Hence, the AB parallel to CD. Because these angles are alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Now come to the example 2. Here is in triangle AP is equal to BP. It is given as AP is equal to BP. Now, and the CP is perpendicular on this. This is the perpendicular, so that one is also 90 degree. So prove that this one. So let us see in triangle which one? AP, APC, and triangle which one? BPC. As you know, AP is equal to BP or PB. It is given, and the angle of which one? APC is equal to angle of BPC, each 90 degree. Now the third one, that is the PC is common in both triangle. So that means it is the right. It is the side angle side. You can say it is the side angle side. So this is the congruent. So angle of APC congruent to triangle BPC. First one is proved. Now which rule? You can write here by which one? It is the side angle side. And now AC is equal to BC. By which rule? By CPCT. What is the meaning of CPCT? Corresponding part of congruent triangle. This is the corresponding part of congruent triangle. That's why AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. This one AB. AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. So AC is equal to BC. That means this side is always equal. Now come to the example third. An opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides. These angles are equal. So given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Now to prove that means it is the angle B is equal to angle C. Now construction, draw AD perpendicular on BC. So that means it is the angle is 90 degree. Now prove. How can prove this one? In triangle which one? ABD and triangle which one? ADC. What will be happen? It is given that AB is equal to AC. It is given. Now, angle of ADB is equal to angle of ADC. 90 degree each. Now, AD is common. That means triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. By which rule? By which rule? By RHS. क्योंकि राइट ट्रायंगल है इसमें और एक हाइपोटेन्यूस भी है. So that's why it is the congruent. So that one the angle of B is equal to angle of C. It is by CPCT. That is the corresponding part of congruent triangle. Let us see this example 4. BD is bisector of angle ABC. BD is bisector of angle ABC. So this point is A, BC. That means this angle and this angle is always equal. It is given. And the AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. It is also given. Now, with the help of SAS, congruent, prove that triangle this one congruent. So you can write here in triangle which one? ABD and triangle CBD. The two are given. So AB is equal to BC. It is given. Now the angle which one? It is ABD is equal to angle of CBD. क्यों है ये एंगल? क्योंकि ये बाइसेक्टर है. Why? BD is bisector of angle ABC. That why it is equal. Now BD is common. BD is common. That means triangle which one? ABD congruent to triangle which one? CBD by SAS. So it is, you can say this one as angle and side. So hence proof. Now come to the example 5. In this figure, AC is equal to BC given him and angle DCA. DCA is equal to angle of ECB, and the angle of DBC is equal to angle of EAC. Now prove that this triangle is congruent in which BC is equal to EC. So let us see how we can do this. In triangle DBC and triangle which one? EAC. You can see here DBC, that is the DBC, this DBC. So in DBC you can see this angle is equal to angle A is equal to angle B. Angle A is equal to angle B. ये तो given है. So you can say the other. How can say this? This angle is also given equal. Which one? Angle of DCA. Angle of DCA is equal to angle of angle of ECB. ये इक्वेशन फर्स्ट हो गई आपकी. Similarly, angle of DCE is equal to angle of DCE. So equation second, adding first and second equation. Adding first and second equation. How can this one? Angle of DCA plus angle of DCE is equal to angle of ECB plus angle of DCE. That means the sum of these angle is, it is ACE. So you can write here ACE is equal to angle of, this is the DCB. So you can say this one and this one, the two are equal, and the one AC is equal to BC. It is given. So you have to write AC is equal to BC. That means two angles and one side are equal. So you have to write triangle, which one? DBC congruent to triangle EAC. By which one? By angle side. So you can write here the two angles are equal, angle side. And the DC is equal to EC. You can write here DC is equal to EC by CPCT. So hence proof. Now come to the next example 6. This one is the example 6. Array AZ. This one is AZ. Bisect the angle A. That means both the angles, this angle and this angles are equal. And AZ, BP and BQ are the perpendicular. BQ and these are the perpendicular. From B, arms angle A, so this triangle is congruent. So you can take here in triangle, which one? APB and triangle AQB. Let us see. These angles are all equal. So angle of PAB is equal to angle of QAB. Because why? Because AZ, you can write AZ is angle bisector of angle, which one? PAQ. That's why it is equal. Now angle is 90 degrees, so that is equal. So you can write here angle of BPA is equal to angle of BQA is equal to 90 degree each. So you have to write here 90 degree each. Both are 90 degree. And one thing, AB is common. So you can write here AB is common. So triangle, which one? APB congruent to triangle AQB. So both are triangle, hence proved. And by, you can write here by RHS. And now BP is equal to BQY by CPCT. Hence it is also proved. Now come to the example 7. So GE is angle bisector GE, and the angle this and this prove that this angle is congruent. So you can write here in triangle D, that is the GDE and triangle GEF. So let us see here. So angle of DGE is equal to angle of DEG. Why? Because GE is angle bisector of angle DGF. Now here you can say angle of FGE also equal to FEG. It is also, the region is same. Now come to the one is GE is common. So GE is common. That's why the triangle is which one? GDE congruent to triangle GFE. Why? By which property? It is ASA. That one is the proof, hence proof. Now come to the example 8. It is given as in triangle XYZ, Y angle is equal to Z. So this one you can say Y angle is equal to Z. So you have to write here this angle is Y and this angle is Z. And XP is the bisector of angle X. XP is the angle bisector, that means both angles are equal. Then prove that the P is the midpoint of YZ. P को midpoint बताना है. and the x p is perpendicular on yz. So let us see how we can do this one. So you can take in triangle, which one triangle is x, y, p and triangle x, z, p. Which one equal to both, दो angles equal हैं इसके. Which one? First one is x, angle y is equal to angle z. It is given that it is given. And the angle of which one? That is the yxp is equal to angle of zxp. Yxp is angle bisector of angle yxz. Now one thing, that is the xp is common. तो तीन चीजें हो गई इसमें. So it is congruent. So you can write here the triangle XYP congruent to triangle XZP. So that means YP is equal to PZ. So you can write the rule by which rule? By ASA, and it is by CPCT. Corresponding part of congruent triangle. So you can write this one. So that means P is the midpoint. Hence, P is midpoint of YZ. And you can say the angle is also equal. So angle of XPY is equal to angle of XPZ by CPCT. But angle of XPY plus angle of XPZ is equal to 180. So angle of XPY both are equal. So we can write here angle of XPY is equal to 180. So 2 angle XPY is equal to 180. So angle of XPY is equal to 180 divided by 2. So we get 90. So you can write XPY is equal to 90 degree. That means XP is perpendicular on YZ. So that one is also true. Now come to the exercise 10.1. So you can see here in this which statement is true. So you can see here OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB. You can see here OA is equal to OB in this figure, and the OA is equal to OB, and the first one is OA is equal to OD. This one is, and now second one is the OB is equal to OC. You can see here OB this one and OC is equal to this one. So which is the correct answer? So you can say AOC. Where is AOC? This one. So here is the BDO. It is the BDEO. Not, it is the not correct. Now AOC, it is the AOC. Then we can write here DOB. DOB. That one is the correct. And angle CAO, CAO. And here is the BOD. BOD not correct. Now come to the next question. See the given figure. Triangle ABC and PQR. Tell which statements are correct. So you can see here in this AB is equal to 3.5, 3.3. So here is the PQ is equal to AB is equal to PQ, and here is the BC is equal to 4 centimeter, and here is the PR is equal to 4 centimeter, and the QR is equal to 3 centimeter. So let us see how we can do this. ABC जरा ध्यान से देखो, ABC this one A के बाद B4 है, तो A के बाद B, here is PQR, P के बाद Q, PQR, not, it is not equal. So you can say first one ABC, A, B and C. So AB this one and BC this one. So AB here is this one and this one. QPR. QPR. This one is the correct and this is also wrong. Now you can come to this third one. So from the following which is not a condition of congruency. So this one is not a congruency. This is also congruency. ये congruency है, ये भी congruency है, but it is not a congruency. So that correct is. So your option is C is correct. Now come to the. Yes, in this question you have to see in figure B angle is equal to C. This B and C are equal, so that why the in front of the angle the sides are also equal. That means AB is equal to AC because angle B is equal to angle C. So इनके इन फ्रंट में जो साइड पड़ेंगी वो भी इक्वल होगी. दैट मीन रेशो इज ऑलवेज रिमेंबर इट इज 1:1. So you have to do this one. Now come to the sixth question. See the triangle pair. State the which condition is congruency applied. So you can say right angles. So it is the right angle and it is the hypotenuse and it is the side. So by RHS. So congruency rule is right angle, hypotenuse and side is the correct answer. So you have to write this one. Now come to the sixth. C triangle pair. State the which congruency is applied to pair. So you can cite here. It is the side, angle and side. So your congruency is SAS. So that one is the congruency. You can write. Now the sixth. See the triangle and pair. The state which condition of congruency is applied here. So you have to see that is the angle, side and angle. So that is the angle, side, angle. So this property is here. Now in this question, see the triangle pairs, state the which condition congruency are applied. So you can see here, this is the angle, angle and it is the side. So you have to write angle, angle and side. So this congruency is applied here. Now come to the eighth question. With the help of given point to find out the distance between AB. AB के बीच की distance note करनी है. So that one is the x. Let the distance of AB. Let AB is equal to x. So you can see here it is the 180 and the in triangle OAB and triangle ODC. What will be happen? It is AO is equal to OD is equal to 180 meter. And now the second that is the BO is equal to OC is equal to 210 meter. And the angle is which one? AOB is equal to angle of DOC. It is the vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. So that's why both the triangles are congruent. And the triangle of OAB congruent to triangle ODC. That's mean AB is equal to CD. That means AB is equal to how much? 160 meter. And that is your answer. Now come to this one. For the running competition, there is a special arrangement made for two teams. One team runs from A to B, and then from B to C. A to B, this one, and then from B to C. And return to the starting point. That means here. Point A. While the other team start from C. Yes. Via D. C से D के लिए जा रही है. To B. So here. And the point C. And further it is coming here C. Now if AB parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Yani this side is parallel to this side. Okay. AB parallel to CD. Yes. And angle of A is equal to angle of D is equal to 90 degrees. So that angle is 90 degrees given. Then the length of the travel done by the team are equal. Also explain your answer. So it is very clear. Why it is clear? So this AB is, as you know, AB parallel to CD. That means this angle is always equal. This angle and this angle alternate interior angle. So angle of BCD is equal to angle of ABC by alternate interior angle. And angle, which one? Angle of A is equal to angle of D, which is 90 degree. And BD is common. BD, not BC. It is BC. BC is common. That's why both the triangles are congruent. So triangle is that one ABC congruent to triangle BDC. So then the length of the travel done by the team are equal. So that means the lengths are equal. Lengths are equal. Hence proved. ये दोनों ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गए, इसलिए जो है लेंथ उनकी इक्वल हो जाएगी. नाउ कम टू दिस वन. द L and M are the parallel lines. This one, L and M, these lines are parallel. It is given as, so you have to write L parallel to M, which have been intersected by the parallel line P and Q. P and Q are also parallel. P and Q are parallel lines. So that means our quadrilateral, which one? ADCB is a parallelogram. Parallelogram, so that triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA. So now you can take in triangle, which one? ABC and triangle, which one? CDA. ABC is here and CDA is here. So you can see here AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. Opposite side of parallelogram. Opposite side of parallelogram. Now BC is equal to, this BC is equal to AD. So BC is equal to AD. It is also opposite side of a parallelogram. And AC is common. AC is common. That means the triangle is congruent. So triangle, which one? ABC congruent to triangle CDA. By which rule? By SSS. Hence proved. Now come to the last question of this exercise. That is the 11th question. AC is equal to AE. It is given as AC is equal to AE. And the AB is equal to AD. And the angle of BAD, this one angle, this angle and this angle are given equal. Then show the BC is equal to DE. So how can show this? So let us do. In triangle ABC and triangle, which one? ADC. So what will be happen? It is given that AB is equal to AD. It is given, and AC is equal to AE. It is also given. Now, as you know, this angle, the angle of BAD is equal to angle of which one? EAC. It is given that the both angles are equal, but common angle is this. So we can add this one. So angle of DAC is equal to angle of DAC. So it is your first equation, it is your second equation. So adding first and second equation. What will be upon? Angle of BAD plus angle of DAC is equal to angle of EAC plus angle of DAC. That means the whole angle is BAC. You have to write BAC, and here is the angle is, that is the DAE. Hence triangle is congruent. Which one? Triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADC. By which rule? By SAS. Now BC is equal to DEY by CPCT. That means corresponding part of congruent triangle. ये एक्सरसाइज समाप्त हो रही है। नीचे लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको दबा करके सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे जिससे ज्यादा बच्चों का फायदा हो सके। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। मेरे वीडियो को कम से कम लाइक भी करेंगे और इसी के साथ मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर आज अपना वीडियो यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।